Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set up Sumup card reader. Firstly, on your smartphone or tablet, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Sumup and download and install the app. Now open the Sumup app and log in with your existing Sumup account or tap sign up and create a new one. Enter your personal and business details and set your bank account for payment transfers. Now enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. In the Sumup app, go to Menu, choose Card Reader or Connect Card Reader. Your Sumup Air device should appear with a 3-digit code. Tap Connect and the device will sync automatically. Once connected, your Sumup Air is ready to accept card for contactless payments. Now enter an amount in the app and tap Charge. Ask your customer to insert their card and enter a PIN or tap the card or device for contactless payments. Funds are typically transferred to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.